एक्टर कुणाल खेमू जो काफी लंबे समय के बाद Z5 की वेब सीरीज अभय के जरिए देखे जाएंगे। दरअसल हाल ही में कुणाल के हाथ ये काफी बड़ी वेब सीरीज लगी है जो उनके करियर को अब बूम देगी। ऐसे में जहां पर इस वेब सीरीज की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रखी गई तो यहाँ पर कुणाल ने अपने घर के सारे राज खोल दिए। जी हाँ, यहाँ पर कुणाल बताते दिखे कि भाई सोहा की इजाजत के बिना वो कोई फैसला नहीं लेते। ये फिल्म करने के लिए भी यानी कि इस वेब सीरीज को करने के लिए भी सोहा ने ही उन्हें कहा था कि उन्हें ये करना चाहिए, तभी उन्होंने इस वेब सीरीज को हाँ की। अब किस तरह की ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस रही आप देखेंगे हमारे इस प्रोग्राम में, जहां पर साथ ही साथ आपको ये भी पता चलेगा कि किस तरह से कुणाल यहाँ पर पत्नी सोहा से प्यार तो करते हैं मगर कहीं ना कहीं हर घर की कहानी सेम ही है, यानी कि पत्नी घर की होती है किंग और पति करते हैं उनकी गुलामी। अब आप देखिए हमारी ये खास वीडियो।
Kunal, yeah, congratulations for Abhay. I want to know, like, when Soha came to know about this project, which is totally different. So how did she react, and how much supportive she was?
You know, she loves crime more than I do. Actually, I started watching a lot of crime after she loves reading about crime and all of that. So in fact, जब मेरे पास episode आया, मैंने उसको दे दिया. मैं बोला, you screen it. If this kind of works for you, then it'll work for me. She really enjoyed it, and like I said, we both watch a lot of binge television, whether it's American, Indian, and in the last 2 months, I've been reading a lot of stuff which is for OTT platforms. And when this came my way, this, like I said, on an instinctive level, it kind of felt right for me to do. It was also a change of like a character that I would do. It's intense. I like the way the character of Abhay is written and the complexities that his character has. So I think she's always very supportive of what I do. But this one, she's also read the episode.
Kunal, hi.
Hi.
Is your character, the cop character, modeled around someone? Was there any real life cop that inspired you?
I don't think so. Is it, sir? I don't think so.
No,
not that I'm
it's
aware
not.
of. No. So, because I'm just doing what I think is right. I'm not following anything else.
No, it is not. It has been cooked up by our writers. Yes.
इसके लिए आपको एपिसोड 2, एपिसोड 3 और 8 तक देखना पड़ेगा. मुझे भी पता चलेगा तब तक.
ओके, हाय कुणाल. मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि जब हम एक वेब सीरीज़ बनाते हैं तो सीरीज़ को रिलीज़ करने में जब ज़्यादा गैप हो जाता है तो क्या वो ऑडियंस का लिंक कहीं ना कहीं तोड़ देता है? इस पर आपका क्या कहना है?
जी, मैं आपसे यही कहा कि यही एक्सपेरिमेंट हमको अभी पता चलेगा, तो उसी हिसाब से मेरे ख्याल से फिर चैनल डिसाइड करेगा सीज़न 2 भी ऐसे करना है कि उसको एक साथ ड्रॉप करना है. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसके साथ इट्स द राइट काइंड ऑफ अ शो टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद, बिकॉज हर एक कहानी अलग है, एक अलग क्राइम है और वो कहानी उस एपिसोड के साथ ख़त्म होती है. बट आई डोंट नो द करेक्ट आंसर टू योर क्वेश्चन बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट विद दिस शो.
ओके कुणाल, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि ट्रैफिक सिग्नल और कलयुग के बाद वैसा इंटेंस रोल में काफ़ी टाइम बाद आप नज़र आने वाले हैं, तो ऑल्दो इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर पहली बार प्ले कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई ऐसी मेमोरी जो आपने रिकलेक्ट की होगी मतलब अभय के दौरान?
मुझसे सबने बोला है कि मेरी आईब्रोज बहुत आर्च्ड है और वो सिर्फ इंटेंस सीन करते वक्त होती हैं. तो या आई हैव नोटिस्ड दैट आई हैव आर्च्ड आईब्रोज व्हाइल डूइंग दिस.
थैंक यू सो मच.
We haven't signed on anybody yet. Nothing is official, but unofficially, yes, there is an intent of making the 5th one. Direction, not yet. We're co-producing a biopic on Ram Jethmalani, but that's later. It's not yet been finalized. Hansal Mehta.
Hi Kunal, here. How much disturbing was for you to shoot these crime series, and especially what we have seen right now? It was quite disturbing.
It was.
So did it stay back even while returning, even while going back home? Did it stay back with you?
You know, it was, even when I read it, there were scenes which were so, I got uncomfortable reading them. And honestly, like even in the episode, there is this part when the discovery happens. It just, the fact that it's such a gruesome crime and there are children involved, It just, like when I'm talking about it, it works me up a little bit. I hope we've been able to justify it and shoot it in the right way to make the audiences feel what I felt when I read the script.
Thank you.
Kunal, what's happening with Go Goa Gone? We were told by the director that February also
I think you should kidnap the director and the producers and ask them this question, because we've been asking them. We've announced this film like 3-4 times, and I don't know when it's going to start.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are closing the Q&A. And I think the curiosity should stay, otherwise there's no fun and excitement to catch up with the episodes, right? Yes?
Incidentally, that frown on the poster is his creation.
Sir, I have one question for BP Singh. Sir, usually when you see crime-based shows, especially our parents, they don't let us watch these kind of shows because somewhere they say that a person is getting an idea to commit a crime. So do you think that it's kind of giving a push to society to commit something like this? It's kind of very disturbing also. Though television...
Well, today we are talking about Abhay, and I'm not supposed to keep on mentioning about CID, but CID and me are, inseparable.
This is also a web crime-based series.
So actually, it's not for a family is not watching it together.
I think they can. I think they can. And what's interesting is the fact that the way they get caught and what happens to them after that. So if it's going to give you an idea of how to do the crime, it's also going to give you an idea of what's going to happen if you do that. Because Abhay or somebody like him is going to get you, and justice will prevail, and that's the hope that we all live with.
And Rohit Shetty is famous for his cop series, cop movies. So this is kind of an application form to Rohit Shetty for a next cop movie.
Well, if it does work like that, then it's great. But I'm not wearing a uniform in this because he's a special task force agent who gets sent to do these cases. But no, the intent is never to kind of... I think every work that an actor does is kind of a audition for the industry and the audiences. And I think that's when you see somebody and you say, oh, I can cast him for this. I don't know how I got cast for Abhay because last 7-year auditions were all for fun and humor. But I'm happy that it did. Binge television, and I like crime a lot. I like investigative shows. But like BP sir said, and because you asked him, it's so much like so many, but so much unlike all of them. Because firstly, they're all Indian stories. It's our police system at work. It's the darkness of the criminals that exist within our country. And like I said, it's not about who did it. You know who did it. But how did he get caught? So all of those things put together, I thought this was great for me to come back. And I know this because the first day that I was shooting, I really enjoyed a different process that your mind was kind of going through when you're taking instructions from the director and you're reading the script, because it's a different part. This is the first time I'm actually playing a cop. So we had somebody on location who's actually from a special task force, and to kind of guide us how the body language should be, and how do you, when the senior is in the room, what do you look for, and if I am the senior, how do I talk to my junior? So all of those things. So it's a process that we are kind of still going through. We've just finished the first episode. We have these writer room meets, and we all read about it. We kind of, depending on the episode and what we're going to get into, we kind of try to research stuff with that. So I'm really enjoying this whole process, and I just hope that we have a show at the end that we're all proud of.
Kunal, welcome to the OTT platform. You have been right from your childhood as an actor till now known for being an underrated actor and very choosy, extra choosy actor. You have not done so many films like one expected you to. So what made you say yes to this offer when Singh Saab came to you with the offer?
I think more than anything else, it's instinct. You instinctively, otherwise there are so many things that you read the whole thing and you have all the information, but then you start wondering, like, should I do this or not? There's something about this show that I instinctively said yes to it, and I'm happy I did because, like I said, it's something that I would definitely watch. And the fact that it's a different crime story every episode gives it an edge over something which is completely fiction and like one story that keeps happening. especially in this investigative zone, because there are a lot of shows that I've seen that you watch 10 episodes and you'll basically be solving one crime, which is also very interesting and very indulgent. I just think this is something that you can pick up in the middle and also be fine with it. You'll just miss the link on Abhay's personal life, but a fresh new case every week. And saying all of this, I've forgotten what your question was.
What made you say yes? Because you have been very choosy as an actor. You don't say yes to every offer which you...
Maybe I'm changing. No, but like I said, instinctively this is something that really excited me. And I knew that, you know, there are also longer time commitments because you're shooting 10 episodes and like, I think we're shooting about 70, 75 days for this one. So you definitely want to do something that you know you're going to enjoy doing, you're going to have fun doing, and you also want to work with people that will see it through the way that you imagine it to be. And that's why after doing my due diligence and asking my 1,000 questions, I knew that this is something that I would really want to do.
He's still